Okay, so I'm gonna bring mine up. Come on in, Jesse. So I can show you. Stand on this side, please. Okay. Yeah. All right, so grab. Remember what I said about the bones, right? Here it is. See? That's the spot. Different grab. Different grab. Okay, do it on this side. See, again. Okay? Two hand. Step in, release over here, one, release over here, two. Real time. So you're going to step back and pull. Okay? That's how the quick releases work. So now I'm going to show you, after you get that down, and it becomes muscle memory, then you can practice a strike with it. So we're going to go with a very basic punch, or a palm heel strike. We're going to go with the punch. So let's just say that you only know the punch. That's all you really need. Any strike at all that you have from your style or from whatever it is that you're practicing. So you grab, right? Back fist, boom. Grab, punch, hook punch. Grab, hook punch. Back fist. Right? Grab. Back fist. Grab. Groin strike. Hook punch. So you can see it gets more sophisticated if you want it to become more sophisticated. But first, you need the basic quick release. And the most important part of it is, grab me with that hand, is getting those bones, see that spot? Turn that bone into that spot. That's the first move. Pull is the second move, back fist. Okay? Okay. Okay. So that's the technique that I wanted to show for this segment. Again, come to capkido.com. Over in the left-hand side, up on the top, there's the archives. Click on that. There's plenty of information in there for free. There's also a bunch of stuff on my front page. You can take a look at it, see if you might be interested in some of that. And also, I have the archives down at the bottom down there from stuff that I've done in the past with my schools that I've had. Okay, oh, one more thing. What are we doing, Jess?
Let's debunk about all the nonsense on YouTube about martial arts.
Okay. Practice, practice. Good, better, best. Never let the rest be good is better and better is best. Thank you. Until the next segment.
In both life and business, knowing when enough is enough. Lao Tzu once said, "He who knows that enough is enough will always have enough." This ancient wisdom highlights the power of simplicity. In search engine optimization, overloading a page with keywords or plugins can ruin performance. Knowing when to stop is crucial. Simplicity ranks better, on Google and in life. Embrace moderation for success.